ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಗೋಡೆಗಳಿಗೆ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡೋವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವುಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಫೋಟೋಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಹಿಂದೂ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಮ್ಸು ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ. ಆವಾಗಲೂ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂತವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅಂಗಡಿಗಳು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕಸ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಬಟ್ ತಾವು ತೋರಿಸಿರೋದು ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಏರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್. ಇದು ಕೋರಮಂಗಲ 100% ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್, 50 ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ಗಳು, ಮನೆಗಳು, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಇದು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ BBMP ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಬನ್ನಿ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್, ಇವಾಗ ಡೈಲಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಟ್. One, the BBMP is doing its system. ಅವರು ನಾಳೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ. Afterwards, how to stop public? ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, BBMP ಅವರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಜಿಮ್ಮೆದಾರಿ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಾನು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಎಂಪೈರ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 45 ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 40 ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ actually went to request every hotel person where the garbage is put. They have, some of them have got an agency to collect it, some of them are dumping over there. So we actually told them that dumping is not allowed legally. So hereafter you have to find somebody who can the garbage collection agency. So once we educated them, they stopped dumping over there.
How you caught them?
We actually we were there. We laid vigil in the night. We actually were there till about 1 o'clock in the night, and whenever they came to dump, we actually took photographs of those guys, and those that if this happens again, that
Monday Tandoori Hut, Tuesday Sunday.
Now this black spot is been completely removed.
Yes.
No, it doesn't exist anymore.
That spot is still used as a transfer point, but no garbage is coming on the road or the ground at all. So when BBMP finishes its work, public is not putting, because it's putting clean. It is transit point. Transit point from Paura Karmika to lorry. Paura Karmika is not putting on the ground, and when the public is seeing it is clean, public is not putting. And whole night the public is not putting. Before there were 20 dogs and 5 cows. Every day they would come. They have stopped coming, and that whole area has become clean.
And mind you, this was happening in a place where high society people live and reside, Koramangladalli. So why do we talk of a slum? It is worse than a slum.
It is more difficult than slum. 1 PM at night they come, yellow restaurants.
ಈ ತರ ಕೋರಮಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೋದು? It's a sort of benchmark.
Sir, it is slum plus commercial, sir.
BBMP with no support come from anywhere. Maybe little support coming from some local awareness amongst the public, etc., they like. But the BBMP staff alone has been able to achieve this.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes.
They have been able to achieve this. And with the existing contract system,
Yes.
the same deficiencies which you refer to, most of you refer to just now. So ಈ deficiencies, manpower, equipment ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಹ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಕಡೆನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟ.
I'm not 100% discounting the deficiencies. Deficiencies will be there and are there. But despite deficiencies being there, ನಾವು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತ. ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. And we have been able to completely address such black spots. And ಒಂದೊಂದು ವಾರ್ಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 4-5 ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಥರದ್ದು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ನಾವು ತಂದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾವು ದಿ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ ಇಸ್ 100%.
ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಪವರ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಏನೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಎವರಿಬಡಿ.
Now we have shown results. We are going to explain how. No extra money, no change in contract, nothing. It is possible. It takes little hard work and little good ideas also.
And with people supporting.
Lots of citizen support. I want to show one more photo of one more black spot. This one in the Jyotinivas project. It was a black spot because all the Paura Karmikas were coming there till 11 o'clock in the morning. Then lorry was taking away. Very common in all wards. But what is happening is, people are putting in the night because naale belige bartare. So 24 hours it is dirty. What we said was, BBMP will not put on the ground, you don't put on the ground. So we went to all the public, we went to 100 shops, we took photo at night, and we said, Nodi, and we went to the, cleaned up the whole place, Bestcom supported. So today, nobody is putting. It has actually changed, and everybody said, Sadhya illa. We were told not possible by everybody. This is a ward which is not here, ward number 80. Yarilla. One more very big problem in Bangalore is, Paurakarmika cart in the lorry already, how do you transfer? There is no system today. Auto tipper idre direct transfer ide. So because of that, one huge mountain is made, and then, so this is a mountain in Defence Colony. Defence Colony is one of the most rich areas in Bangalore. People have a lot of interest and money and time, but they didn't know how to solve. Every day, hinge. Today it has been solved for 18 months. For the last 2 years, there is no black spot. Any ideas how to do? How to transfer from Paurakarmika pushcart into lorry without garbage touching the ground? Can you give any idea, anybody? How to do?
From health department, sir, we were doing same thing in Koramangala, sir. Points I had made. Those 21 points, we had designated 21 points as the transit points, no black spots. This is not a collection point. It was around in 2007 when we were doing that. So then 21 people per Paurakarmikas were to be made to sit in each and every one person. So that person's duty is to sit there, as in when the pushcart comes, he used to take the whatever the drums and get it poured into one huge bag and sit there with that bag. And like that, any number of pushcart comes, all the garbage will be put into that bag. And once the vehicle comes, that whole bag will be emptied into the vehicle.
Why
so
you are not doing that now?
Not even. That is what. Right?
So that is what we did. We put one person, in the lorry there are 4 people loading. Their job was to do loading. We said, give us 1 person reassignment. Avaru belige 7 o'clock and 11 o'clock alle kutirbeku with the bag. He is responsible for keeping clean. That's all it takes. No extra manpower. So from existing manpower, 1 person man point tara madidiri. But now I'm giving a different example. Supposing you want to move from pushcart to lorry, how will you do it? Not without bag. Without bag. Any other way, any other idea from push?
Before that, I just want to congratulate from public side to this officer, because now we are acting as a solution thinker. Now we are thinking of solution. See, one officer from your side has already suggested a solution which he is experienced with. So now we are solution thinker. So in next presentation, whole part of the presentation, whoever gives a solution, talks about positivity, we are going to appreciate from the public side. Thanks. So let's clap for the officer. He has done something very good.
See, we want everybody to think, because we are public. We have gone and worked with Koramangala and solved the problem. We are only concerned about solution and without money. Simple. So his idea is very good. He got a very basic problem. Every ward really pushcart to lorry, how to do? Any ideas? How will you do? Supposing I gave you money also, how will you do it? We have done it, so I am going to show you now, but can you guess?
Any idea?
Any ideas? No bags allowed. From pushcart into lorry, direct. And garbage should not touch the ground. Main rule.
Build a platform kind of thing.
Build a platform kind of thing, okay?
And with a ramp.
Okay.
And take the pushcart to the platform. The truck comes there, and it is parked in the right alignment, and the unloading takes place.
Okay. Sir is saying we should build on ramp so that exactly it comes. Anybody can say why that will not work. Any problem?
Take the pin directly.
No. Let's first talk. He gave suggestion. But please tell me, sir's suggestion is what? Please tell me why it will not work. Sir's suggestion. Even though sir gave it.
ಸರ್ ಈ ಪುಷ್ಕಾಟಲ್ಲಿ 40 ಲೀಟರ್ ಬಿನ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ತಳ್ಳೋ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಟೋ ಟಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ 40 ಲೀಟರ್ ಬಿನ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಪುಷ್ಕಾಟಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಲೀಟರ್ ಬಿನ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಅದು ಫುಲ್ ತುಂಬಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಾರ್ಬೇಜ್ ವೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 10 kgs. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ.
He is saying ramp is not possible because tallak agalla. It's too difficult, alva? It's difficult. But if you are a worker, sanitation worker, alva, lifting and picking is very bad. See, sweeping, lifting, we are using people. How can we make it easy for the worker?
No. Generally, push cart worker is ladies. Ladies. But in the loader, in the load lorry